Hi, we're JKT Travels. My name is Josh.
And my name is Kasia. And this is our van, Daisy. She is a 28-year-old, 8-seater Spanish VW T4 Caravelle.
In this series, we're going to show you us repairing and converting the van into a fairly cheap camper, ready for some upcoming adventures.
So hit like and subscribe to come along for the journey. Hi guys!
So, you join us here today on the sofa, not outdoors for a change.
Yeah.
And we've got some exciting news to tell you.
We bought a van!
So, some of you will know, some don't, but I used to have an old classic Type 3 Volkswagen camper van. I sold that very stupidly and I've regretted it ever since. So we've recently purchased a VW T4. I'll put some pictures in now of the van, and some of you might notice that the van is on foreign number plates. So in this video we're going to show you some of the process of re-registering the van in the UK and some of the work that we need to do ready for its first MOT in the UK. So you're with me today. We've come to the location where we have the van and I'm going to give you a bit of a tour, show you around it and the jobs that we've got to do on it before we take it for an MOT. Let's go inside now and take a look at the van. So this is the rear storage area, the rear seating area. Turn ISO up so you can see. So yeah, these chairs, apart from this one doesn't fold all the way forward like the other one. It goes as far as that to gain access to the back, but they all slide out really easily, which is good. These seats here also have armrests in the middle, like the rear ones do here, which is really cool. We've got ventilation in the roof, which not all transporters come with, which we'll be very grateful for in the when we go travelling to warmer climates. We've got speakers, the opening rear windows, which again, nice feature, which not all vans get. So as for some of the things that we need to work on, small job is these armrests shouldn't go down that far. They should stop, you know, around there, and that's broken, so we've bought a new part for that. General cleaning work. As you can see, the floor is not amazingly clean at all. So that'll be a big day on the shampoo. Let's take a look in the front. So obviously, being Spanish, it's left-hand drive, which will be great for when we're in Europe, just be more comfortable on the normal side. My previous van were left-hand drive, so over here I'm pretty used to it. Never got a chance to go abroad in that one. So as you can see, we've already taken the door card off of that door to gain access to this strap here. This is what they call a door strap, and it just stops your door from being able to open any more than that really. So got some of them in the car ready to fit. What other jobs? The clutch. So the clutch at the minute, I've not tested it this morning, but when you press it, it stays on the floor because the cylinder is leaking. So we bought a new cylinder to fit into there, and obviously the roof liner I think we're thinking of taking all the material off and stripping the foam back to get to the door card itself, and potentially painting it white depending on how it comes up. So yeah, this is the project. Let me show you the boot. Just shut these doors. So
not in anybody's way. So this is the boot. Again, something you don't get with a lot of transporters is like the partial shelf. And this chair can fold. It doesn't come out quite as easily as the centre ones, but it does fold forward so far, which is good. Just in case we're taking anything a bit bigger that we might need to. And it is literally like a couple of bolts to take that out if we decide. Well, we're not 100% sure yet how we're going to do the interior build on the van. Of course, I do want to kind of keep it as a car most of the time, but then also an easy camper. So we've got a few ideas. One of them being it's sort of built off of a wooden base on the floor, and then module parts and seating areas on top. But that's just one idea we're floating around with at the minute. What we'll end up with is yet to be seen. So yeah, for now we've got to concentrate on getting it repaired. And the exhaust, which you can't see right now because we took it all off the other day in preparation. So yeah, that's the latest project, guys. So I'll try and bring you back as often as I can when while we're doing the repairs. And yeah, we'll get cracked on. So we've just got the first part of the exhaust on. So what we have to do is, this is the old one, you can see, and it's got two spring C-clips that go onto there, which I'll show you now. Let me just get the torch. If not, you won't be able to see. I'll take you under the van with me. These were a bit of a nightmare to get off. So, let me just turn f-stop down, other way, so you can see us. Hello. Get the best angle here. So, this here is the new exhaust, this bit. Let me turn camera around. So this here is the new exhaust, which goes all the way under and then goes all the way up there, which, let me just hold this camera still. Turn that down so you can see those two C-clips, one on either side. Those are very spring loaded and very, very hard to get on. So yeah, we managed to do it with some ingenuity and they're on now. So now we've just got the rest of the exhaust to fit, which goes through there, down here, to me so down, and then all the way and across and out the back. Well, this is the bit where the catalytic converter got stolen last time, and they'd cut the pipe, the exhaust pipe there, and then just here. So that's why we've had to get a new first piece and a new second piece. So yeah, hopefully this will go a lot smoother now. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. So that's the fourth part of the exhaust. This is the third section, and then that's the new second section with the cap. And obviously you've already seen we've fitted the first part. So let's get this bolted up. See how we get on. So that's exhaust done. I'll just get under and show you guys all the new exhaust. 2 seconds. You can see that's the third part, and that's the nice new part, all fitted, nice and secure, all the way back under. And then now I'm just about to sort this door, so I'm giving it a little bit of a clean up, just a little bit, nothing crazy. And then this is where it's going to go, and that's the new check strap. All new. So we're going to put that back on. Yep. And then we're going to do the armrest as well. So this is the broken armrest. As you can see, it's broken, and this is just a repair piece. It goes over like that. That sticks to the socket in the chair, and then we just bolt it back on. So we've got this piece now, which will go inside the chair, and then up. This is the fiddly part, 'cause you're sort of doing it blind. I believe that is now into the locator slot. Now I need to do the same with the handle and put that piece in there as well. So we're going to have to just pull the cushion cover back and try feed it under it. Not lucky that time. So we're almost, there we go. And now just to work out roughly there. No, I think it's in the right place.
Got off, do you think?
Pardon? Oh, I'm not sure. And I'll put that in there like that. I'll work out if it's in the right place or not. I'll tell you what, push that up and get it slotted under, and then put the bolt in there and just tighten it up. I feel it nipping now. A bit ratchet on it. There we go. Oh, I think this is the other one that's got some other fault. There we go. Just been wound round a bit. Wind it a bit more. There we go. Sorted. Can't go down now. Nice and stiff. And now you can adjust it wherever you want it. So now I've just got to do this other one. So we've done a fix on the coolant pipes. We basically bypassed that secondary heater in the back and filled it back up with coolant, cleaned all this out as well because it was really grubby. And now we're just going to start on the clutch. Let me get you down here. Take that off, turn that up. Which is, unclip the camera. It's just down under here. So it's this part here is the one we'll be changing, this silver arm. That's what's broken. It's just leaking clutch fluid at the minute. So we're going to get on and unbolt it and get it replaced, and then bleed it back up. So as you can hear now, van's running. We've bled clutch up.
It's all working now. Going to press. Had a new one fitted up there. You can see nice new silver one there. And just lower aperture down so it brightens it up. All new. Hopefully that'll solve all our issues.